So what's up guys, welcome to my channel, The Ride in Place. So today we're going to ride out to the Qingpu area. Qingpu is one of the districts in Shanghai, and it's a pretty place, and probably some people who live in Shanghai, maybe foreigners, have never explored this district. Today I'm going to ride out to Qingpu town to show you a few serene places you can visit if you have free time. So without much ado, let's set off. But before then, let me just quickly show you my motorcycle. It's a Benelli 302 GS. I've had it for like over 4 years, and still runs well. It runs pretty good. And let's just take a quick tour of my bike before we set out on this ride. So yeah, it's pretty clean too. I try to keep it clean. And that's my camera mount. So I'll just gear up and then we'll be on our way, so bear with me. So I'm ready to ride out now. I'll just start up the motorcycle and let it handle for a while just to get the oil running. There we go. Hope you guys can hear this. The reason I love this motorcycle so much, it sounds so good. It's 300cc, but it sounds like a much bigger bike. The sound that comes from the exhaust is just amazing. So let me put on my gloves. It's not the prettiest of days, but it's alright. It's not sunny. It's ideal when it's sunny, but we take it as it is. I just love riding, and I hope I can bring you more and more videos. Alright. Alright, so this is it. I'm ready to ride. Here we go. Come on. Look at these delivery guys there. That's one of the things you should watch out for when you ride out here. Someone's gonna pull out in front of you out of the blue. So you have to be extra careful. Alright, so I'm just getting out of my community. Call it Xiaoqu in China. Those who live in China would know what a Xiaoqu is. Thank you. I'm just getting off the main road from my house. Look at this big truck. Oh yeah, you should watch out for these trucks as well, because their field of view is limited. So there have been many accidents involving these trucks. So especially when you're riding a motorcycle, you have to be extra careful. Alright, so we're making progress. So it's going to be about a 25-ish ride to Qingpu, and I'm going to take you to a location that you're going to love. Oh yeah, there we go. So a little bit about this place. It's the place where I used to live. It was a beautiful town, but too quiet. And then got this beautiful lakeside. Very good place to relax, especially for those who live in Shanghai. You might want to check it out. Really cool place to have some peace and quiet. I'll just take the bike lane. Sometimes when you're on these kind of bikes, you just want to drive fast. So you get riding slow. It's a bit annoying sometimes, but you just have to make do with it. Okay, here we go. It's an open road. One thing I realize I often do is, and I know it's a bad habit, I keep my legs very close to, or sometimes even press on the brake pedal. And there's a reason for that. The reason is you're gonna have electric bikes pull out on you at any time. Some of them don't look left or right, they just pull out on the main road, and it's pretty dangerous. But when I got my bike, there was no ABS version, so I don't have ABS, so I have to be extra careful how I brake. Okay, so just waiting for this light. Green. The biggest DC bike when it gets sound is good. It's really amazing. There are people who say that Benelli 300 is, or Benelli in general, engines are slow to respond. I don't know, I'm not a technical guy, I just like riding bikes, so I'm not going to pretend to be giving you specs and you know, all those technical stuff, but I just like riding bikes, and I like the way this bike rides. Not too fast, it's not too slow, it's just the right amount of power you need, and when you accelerate, it gives you a decent amount of power, so it's alright. It's a cool bike to ride. What is happening with these lights? Okay, it's solid red now, so we gotta wait. I was just about to cheat the system because it was flashing yellow for too long. So I said it was one of those hazards that you could still ride through. I guess it's a problem with the lights. Probably a problem with the lights. So I'm going to ride out. And I'm going to take a break somewhere for just a few minutes, see how things are going with the camera. Then I'll head on to my destination. So guys who live in Shanghai and ride bikes or are planning to get one, this is a very good road to ride bikes on. It's called the Qingpu. It's a connection between Qingpu town and Ya'an Road, and it's fairly untrafficked. So there's less traffic on this road, and that's why you see many people ride their bikes on this particular road on good weather days especially. So if you're planning to enjoy some cruises, this is definitely one of the roads you should check out. So it's called Qingpu Highway. What is happening? I think I might as well just go because the lights are kind of like messed up. Well, it's going to take the light flash. The lights are down. And we're there forever. Sorry guys. This is one of the advantages of riding a bicycle or a motorcycle. Use smaller roads. You have the need. Dampened my journey every time, but it's alright. That's one of those things. And continue to do that. Oh, and I was talking about electric bikes pulling out on you. Just the electric bikes. Cars as well sometimes. You gotta be very careful. Gotta have a third or fourth or fifth eye. You ride a bike around here. It will pull out on you at any time. I'm just gonna wait here for a while so I can get on the right road, on the right side of the road. Patience is necessary when you're riding a motorcycle. Because mind you, the guy who's driving the car, he's enclosed. He's protected by all the electronic and safety features put in modern cars now. But you get hit, you're flying off this bike, and bad things are gonna happen. So be careful. Alright, so this is it. Back to the road. Most likely you're going to stop at the red light at every intersection. But get away around one way. Most likely you're going to have to go this is another tip. Sometimes you have to go very slow. Was a little bit more sunny, but we're just gonna make do with what we have. Look at that Tesla. It's awesome. got Holiday Inn right there, if you guys can see. So it's not all just downtown Shanghai, guys. You can enjoy life in the outskirts of Shanghai too. I prefer the outskirts, probably because of my lifestyle. And the roads in China are pretty good as well, so you don't have to worry about bumps and potholes, stuff like that. The road is usually busy at this time over there. Those are the two stars. Usually mostly quiet, not too many cars. It's all good. The road was built for cars. All kinds of vehicles, so get a lot. I'm going to show you guys an awesome place in Shanghai where I do my shopping. Oh, by the way, we are already in Qingpu district, heading towards Qingpu town. It's going to be an outlet. A lot of you living in Shanghai probably know some other outlet stores somewhere downtown or in other districts, but I'll tell you what, this one is way cooler. Just a few minutes from the outlet. Huge area. Sometimes when I've got some extra money to spend, that's where I get my shoes. Out of the coat. Shoes? I love shoes. And the other main reason is hard to find my foot size now. The least I can wear is 45, 46. But in China, most of the sizes end up 44. But if you go to outlets, you can look at this guy. Turning into the lane without showing any light. That's what I was talking about. By the way, that was just by the way. Let me go back to what I was saying. So it was like, yeah, so my least size is, wait guys. This is one half of the outlet. And this is another house of the outlet, as you guys can see. Pretty awesome. It goes way back. So if you're in Shanghai or want to buy stuff, you're going to go to the highway, and there's on the outlet. Check this spot. I know there are a lot of other guys out there who listen to the story guys. These signs are 45, 46, or even 47. This is one of the places to come. You got all the brush you name it. Alright. Gradually we're getting to Qingpu town. Here, one, go! Riding on this thing with these bearings, couldn't believe it. Yeah, red light again. But yeah, the motorcycle I can just weave through and wait in front of the line. I know drivers are gonna be pissed, but that is how it is. You want to drive sitting on AC? Yeah. You got some of the cost. Alright guys, we're soon going to enter Qingpu town, and yeah, I'm just going to ride to the lakeside so I can show you guys what I've been talking about all along. And of course, yeah, you're gonna see the floor once it's on the ground. But I bet you if you jump from this bike onto another bike, Kawasaki or Honda or Yamaha, I'm pretty sure you're gonna see some floors as well. Some things that the Benelli does better than those bikes. It's just like that. So you decided buy what you like. Just make sure that actually at least has gone through some R&D, so you know you're safe on the ride. Other than that, there's just wrong. Again, wait in front of the line. Yeah, we're almost in Qingpu town. Quiet, clean, peaceful. Bike the way why do you ride bikes? It's so dangerous. Why do you ride it? Well, guys, you don't know. The pleasure you have on these two wheels is comparable to nothing on four wheels. I can I have to tell you that. Oh man, look at how clean it already looks. Looks really nice. Really nice. I miss living in Qingpu. I knew where everything was. Alright guys, so my camera died and I couldn't finish my footage, but I'm in Qingpu town now, the famous Shayanghu lake. So the lake is called Shayanghu, starting with an X. And like I was telling you guys, just look at how pretty this place is. It's just so awesome. I'm just gonna take a walk around and let you know, see a little bit of what I've been talking about. So it's really nice. It's a nice location just to come and relax. As you can see, people are relaxing here. It's really awesome. When I used to live here, I used to go to the library in that building. Looks like it's under renovation. I don't know if the library is closed, but yeah, this is a really cool place just to relax. Sorry for the shaking camera. My action camera battery died on me, so I've got to do the rest of this with my phone. But yeah, just take a look at this view. It's awesome. So bikers and just anybody else, if you want a place to relax in Shanghai, Qingpu is a cool place. We've got grasses as well. I'm not sure if you're allowed to picnic here, maybe not, as it is in many parts of Shanghai, but you can just come and walk around and relax, and you're not gonna have any problem with anybody. You can bring along a book, bring your friends, just enjoy the view, enjoy the breeze. It's even awesome on a sunny day. Today is not so sunny, but yeah, it's still cool. They got Crown Plaza right there. You got these service apartments. Alright guys, so we're almost towards the end of our tour, and I'll just give you a walk around tour of my motorcycle again, waiting to be ridden. I like riding, guys, and I love this motorbike. The contrast in the colors between the orange and the black is just awesome. Just makes the blacks pop out. So I'll just seat my helmet on the saddle and give you a closer look at the bike. Looks clean, ready to be ridden. Alright guys, so this is it for today. I'm just about to ride off, head back home. So until I see you in the next video, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so when I upload new videos you'll be the first to see it. And please don't forget to subscribe. The more you subscribe, the more I'll be motivated to bring you more videos in and around Shanghai. So please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, this has been Leo. Ride legal, ride safe.